Hello world. Last class we have built our driver successfully. Let's learn about Patterson existed. We will start with the include fear. They had fear. Let's find in fear. Let's search. Patterson LDM. In file type star H. In folder E \include X. Check. Match whole word only. Check. Match case. Check. Look in subfolder and find. We have three important directories. One include the second include X. The third include WDM. Include X contains all versions. Patterson LDM star H E \include X. This folder is used for Visual Studio 2020. The result is NT disk. Storage 315 lines. NT means new technology. Let's study the type. 1. Partition entry unused defined 0 entry unused. Partition fat 12. Fat means file allocate table. It's very important in disk. Our disk has many kinds of media, such as hard disk, floppy disk, and universal serial bus disk, USB disk. FAT12 use 12-bit FAT12 defined 1. Oh my god. 12-bit FAT file allocate table. FAT entries. FAT12 used in USB disk in lower version, such as USB 1.0 or 1.1. This version is obsolete. Partisan Phoenix 1. Defend 2. Phoenix is seldom used. It's seldom used. Partisan Phoenix 2. Defend 3. Phoenix. This partisan is very popular. Partisan FAT 16. It's popular in Windows Upgrade 95 or 98. 2 batters, 16-bit FAT entry, defend 4. Partisan extend, defend 5. Extended partisan entry. For extending use, partisan huge, defend 6. Huge means very, very large. Huge or magnificent. Huge partisan MS-DOS version 4. In MS-DOS, the size of hard disk is limited to gigabytes. Partisan AFS defend 7. AFS partisan. Someone can't recognize this. Partisan OS 2. Boot MGR. Boot defend A. OS 2. Boot manager. OPUS coherent SW. Coherent swap. Swap means oh my god, swap, change order. Partisan FAT 32 is very useful. Sometimes, like as NTFS used FAT 32, defend B, FAT 32. It's very popular since now. Partisan FAT 32 XT XNT 1.3, not 13. XINT means extended interrupt 1, 3. Defend C. Fed 32. Using extended interrupt 1, 3 service. Partition XNT 1, 3. Defend E. Windows 95. Partition using extended interrupt 1, 3 service. This partition just used for Windows 95. Partition exit 1, 3 extended defend if. Same as tab 5, but use extended interrupt 1, 3. Let's go back. Five means participation extended participation entry. Let's go on. This participation used by some tabs, tab 5, but used extended interrupt 1, 3 service. Partition prep 4, 1. PowerPC. PowerPC is a very strong CPU. PowerPC reference platform PREP boot partition. The PowerPC CPU is used in aircraft. Aircraft, it's very strong. We have used the PowerPC type 8315. The model is MPC 8315. 5 key. It's just an embedded CPU. Partition LDM. The keywords for searching. LDM. LDM means logical disk manager, not a physics disk. Logical disk manager partition. LDM means logical disk manager partition. Partition DM 5.4 defend 5.4 on-track disk manager partition. Partition easy driver. Easy means easy. Easy means easy. Easy driver partition, such as easy USB. The interface chip, easy USB. Partition Unix 6.3. Unix is a famous operating system. Unix. Partition spaces E7. Storage spacing protective partition. Partition GPT EE. GPT means GUID. Partition table. G means GUID, Global Unique Identifier. GPT has been used in Windows 7 and later. GPT protective partition. This lessons we just too familiar many partition types, such as FAT12, FAT16, FAT32, and GPT. GPT means GUID partition table. If a hard disk uses GPT, it's global for all our computers. It's very easy to find your hard disk in website. The cloud technology has benefited from the GPT technology. It's very useful. We just study the tips. This lessons, our aim is just to familiar this step. Let's remember the keyword fat. Fat means file allocate table. What's the architecture of the hard disk? The first is MBR. The first section is MBR section. MBR means main boot record. The second is FAT, file allocate table. There are two FATs carrier. The third is date sections. It's very important for using FAT. If the FAT is damaged, it's very difficult for us to find the date. So we know the partition is organized fat is to organize fat to improve the ability reading or writing the disk, especially for hard disk. Nowadays, our disk has a media like as SSD. SSD means solid storage disk. SSD. The unit of memory. The unit of memory consists of conduct, not consists of magnetic unit. The reading and writing speed is very high. The traditional hard disk has a motor. It's a mechanical electronic device. The reading and writing speed is slower than SSD. Oh my god, we just familiar this type. Enjoy yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, see you later.